Hi, I'm Tom with the FCB Lounge channel, and in this quick tip for FreeCAD I will show you how to change or assign keyboard shortcut of a command. I'm using FreeCAD 1.1 in this quick tip. So let's say I've got my wall command which creates wall, and by default it has the keyboard shortcut WA, which you can see in the tooltip, and I want to change this to, let's say, WW. I can do that by going to Tools and then Customize, and this opens the Customize window where by default I'm thrown into the Keyboard tab, and here I've got a list of commands and they can be filtered. So by default it's the file filter, so I could either show all, so I will have all commands shown, or I can filter through just the BIM commands because I know the wall is in BIM commands. And now here I can search for wall, and there are several tools, and I want to change the shortcut for wall, so I will select this command, and you can see that it's now selected here, and this is the current shortcut. And if I want to change it, I will click here and press WW, and you can see that I have no other tool assigned, so I will click assign. Now the shortcut is changed to WW. So if I close customization window, now if I hit WW, I'm starting the wall tool, and you can see that even the tooltip changes accordingly. Now you have to be careful not to assign two similar shortcuts to two of the commands. So if I go to Customize, and let's say I would search for the stair tool, and if I would assign to this tool also the shortcut WW, so I would click here, press WW, and after a short while you can see that here is the list of commands that already use this shortcut. If I would assign this, it can be done, but then this is the priority list, and if I press WW, the first stairs will be invoked, and after that only wall. So I can also change the priority list. If I wanted to have the wall first, I would put it up, and now it's the first one. If I would put it down and close, and now I would type WW, a stair is created. So this is how you manage keyboard shortcuts in FreeCAD. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.